Right. What? Me and Chad. Damn.
Damn, already?
That shit was quick. Black?
Shit.
What? That was
Like
just
I
a
read
navigation.
I read one. I vote him.
What a wicked act.
John
Oh, no?
Wallace, I swear you did a self-reporting of that.
Yeah, come here, one the blood clot. Oh, I'm just accused of the butt. Man, you even say where the body there, bro. Man, you even say where the blood clot body there. Green sus.
Hey, stop in there, man.
What's a green sus?
Right, no, Chad was just around me, bro. I ain't doing nothing. Come on, Chad. You know I was right there with you, bro.
Remember, Serene got it, yes. But, I don't know.
I was right there. What do you mean? I was in the room. You came in the room and see me doing the compactor.
Someone was following me. I mean, no, just call me to dance, man, sus, you know.
No, sir.
No, I skip my skips, though.
So I'll come tell man that's us.
Oh, I guess he meant dark green.
What?
Wild accusations, dog.
Yo.
That's yo, this a fuckery.
Yo, dark green, my youth. I promise you. Him and jerk chicken.
Why was Black not doing anything? When?
Dark green sus, my youth. Trust me. Him and jerk chicken. Trust me. Come on, vote for him, Chad. Let's do this. He said beat guys always following me. You know it's him. Yo, I jerk, my youth. Trust me.
Brown vote for me, you know. What are we gonna act?
Self-reporting of that.
Yo.
No, I want the blow it.
Yo, yeah, you know what I'm trying to I told him, go for soul, you know. You hear about the blow?